prohibitive for smaller builders and smaller businesses. Already we have builders who are concerned. I see here in an RNZ article that there are a number who are raising concerns that this is going to make it impossible for them to keep operating. There are real concerns I share with my labor colleagues about relying on private insurance. I think we'd be wanting to look at a model that is more like our ACC model, that's publicly owned, that we do, and the other changes in the bill, moving towards more privatized network of BCAs, we have serious concerns around. It's public good incentives that need to drive the decisions around consenting. It has to be information, expertise, and the wider public good incentives, not maximizing profit, as will be the case with privatized organizations. We all know that when you have that profit motive, we're unlikely to get the public good outcomes that we need from our buildings. While some states in Australia have proportionate liability, this is often paired with a centralized public insurer or backstop, and that's what we would want to see in this system. And then we completely disagree with MB's analysis on the building research levy. We're too small. It's kind of ridiculous. We've got this specialized institution with brands that has built up all of this capability, has these really fantastic employees. They're independently governed. It's primarily industry-led, and they've been able to develop real expertise that is specific to New Zealand. Why would we take that away from them so that some policy people at MB, and I'm sorry, I'm sure there's really great public servants at MB, but there's no guarantee that you get actual experts in those roles. And they're very far removed in a public ministry from the practice of the world, doing this doing this contested approach. It just makes the funding all bitsy. It makes it harder for us to have really high quality research. Why? We're a small country. Let's stick with the institution that has been invested in for 60 years, that has built up fantastic capability, employs a bunch of scientists, is well respected internationally. To me, this seems completely absurd, and it's just the sort of thing. It's like, what is the problem here? We haven't seen a problem definition of why the building research levy should be taken away from brands and given to policy people at MB to decide how it's going to be distributed. So even if we agree with many of the intentions of the bill, we don't agree with the solution that's been put forward in this. There's no way we can support it at first reading. And I hope the Minister will